everyone is chasing meme coins after they pump. But I found 4 that are still early, and the last one isn't even listed. First is KEYCAT. This coin already has over 1 million supporters. It's trending again on social media, and after a previous drop, it's now entering an accumulation zone. Since this meme has already gone viral before, a revival wave could push this coin into a 2x or more move if attention increases. Right now, it's still in an early stage of attention with organic growth, meaning the movement depends completely on how fast the community grows again. Full details are in the description. Now comes the second, which is actually my personal favorite. Next is Apu Apustaja. This coin has 100% liquidity locked, has partnered with a world top 5th boxer, and is also connected with world's most dangerous motorcycle racing events happening soon. These kinds of events can push visibility massively, and it could even grow 5x in weeks. With strong marketing and visibility, this coin has the potential to generate passive gains even while you sleep. Right now, it's still building attention, and its growth will depend on how well these events actually convert into real community hype. Now comes Cat in a Dog's World. This coin has a large and active community, is built on Solana, and has already seen strong movement before, now stabilizing near lower levels. This coin can grow by 2x or more. However, a 75% of supply is still held by top wallets, so movements can be fast in both directions, making it risky. Now the last one, Alpha Pepe. This coin is still in pre-launch phase. It's gaining early attention and holders, and is built on the Pepe narrative, which has historically gone viral. Since it hasn't fully entered the market yet, this coin has the potential for the highest upside among all, possibly outperforming the others if it gains traction after listing. But because it's still early, there is no real price history yet, so everything depends on how the launch and initial hype play out. The launch is expected to be in April-June this year. Just remember, meme coins move on attention, not guarantees. If you want more early opportunities like this, subscribe, because in crypto, timing is everything.